You won't believe your eyes. In today's video, we're diving into some of the most ridiculous and downright confusing truck maneuvers ever caught on camera. From poorly timed turns and unbelievable drifts to hilariously failed reverse attempts, you'll be left wondering, how did these people even get a license? Get ready, because what you're about to see will leave you both laughing and furious. Hold my coffee. These Tata 10-wheeler Bharat-Benz and Ashok Leyland dump trucks are turning into submarines. That water looks about 2 feet deep. I wonder if the driver is listening to country music or just looking for a parking spot in Manhattan. What a mud-slinging spectacle. Think your day was bad? Watch these workplace wile E. coyotes turn a regular shift into a vaudeville disaster. One guy messes up a truck the size of a decent RV. You've got to see it to believe it. Hope they invested in good insurance. Talk about a heavy lift, moving that power screen crusher over 5,900 feet high. The Fasulas team are truly high-altitude heroes. I hope they packed enough strong coffee. That rig definitely deserves a Texas Roadhouse dinner after this mountain climb. Watch this epic machinery trekking. Evacuation, leaning on 2 trees. Definitely not a $5 dollar. Star Resort in Boca Raton. Sounds like an old school Boy Scout drill, but with less amenities than a lean-to. Hope they packed at least a gallon of strong coffee to make it through the night. Talk about glamping on a budget. You can't fix stupid. These folks deserve an Emmy for workplace creative destruction. Watch trucks get stuck and cars fail spectacularly. I bet the tow truck bill is over $500 per hour. It's like America's funniest home videos, but with 18-wheelers.
Ôi, tí lại cây lam nốt bây giờ. Để múc ra. Ở ngoài kia.
The Hyundai Robex 1400W excavator is acting like a superhero, easily yanking that dump truck from a 3-foot ditch. It's peeling the earth's skin like a giant potato. That dump truck driver must have learned his moves from a Dukes of Hazzard rerun. Yeehaw!
Ôi, cho vào trong thùng ấy, nó mới mắc được. Ổn tự nhiên rồi. Lại gì lại? Dây điện.
It's an hour of epic demolition action. Those huge excavators, taller than 2 pickup trucks, stacked up are munching concrete. This is like real-life Jenga on a massive scale. Let's hope no one left their favorite coffee mug inside the rubble. These experts are driving like they've hit Fast and Furious 20. Look at that truck almost clear the interstate. Their driving skills? Well, bless their hearts. Someone needs to give them a copy of the DMV handbook. This is comedy gold. This demolition excavator is dancing like it's in an action movie. These operators must have gotten their license out of a cereal box. That debris pile is as tall as a 5-story building coming down. Hope they have good insurance. This is a real-life Hollywood spectacle. Get ready for some serious, total bad day at work moments. These 18-wheeler trucks and cars are failing spectacularly. Someone definitely skipped their morning coffee. These work fails are better than any TV sitcom. Hold my beer and enjoy the mayhem. Don't try this at home. These heavy equipment drivers definitely need a refresher course. Watch that 18-wheeler spin around like a giant donut. The crane is wobbling like a golf club after a bad swing. Talk about some unbelievable landings. It's like watching America's Funniest Home Videos, but on a construction site. Oh, for Pete's sake, watch these geniuses turn a $50,000 SUV into a submarine. That water is definitely more than 3 feet deep, enough for a pool party. They're teaching us a lesson. Not every car is a boat. What a laugh riot. These guys make operating heavy equipment look like parallel parking a 20-foot-long Cadillac into an 8-foot space. Clearly, these skillful operators deserve a forced coffee break. They're trying to set a new world record for how not to do it. Guaranteed laughs. Watch this operator run a demolition excavator like a video game pro. That 500 horsepower machine is child's play. He takes down a building faster than you can drill in perfect T-bone state. Skills like that must have won him the Operator Olympics last year.
Жесть.
Hold on to your hats. These top drivers are dodging traffic like they're navigating Cadillacs on the freeway. They must be pushing 85 miles per hour. It's better than NASCAR. Now that's some real Sunday driving skill. Let's roll. Talk about a joyride. This daredevil driver is tackling a snowy pass in a serious storm. It looks like a scene from a movie, though maybe capped at 25 miles per hour. He absolutely deserves a hot apple pie and a strong cup of coffee when he finishes. The twist ending, the snow melts, revealing a sign, road closed ahead. Talk about a traffic jam. This big rig decided to take a power nap right in the middle of the road. It needs 2 heavy-duty tow trucks just to get back on its 18 wheels. This is better than any tractor pull at the county fair. Hope the driver has a strong cup of coffee to watch the show. I bet $10 on the blue truck. These guys need a refresher course on driving an 18-wheeler. They've turned this job site into a disastrous circus act. Watch them park that 50-ton crane like a golf cart. Unbelievable. It's like a construction edition of America's funniest home videos. A true spectacle. The Diesel Big Rig Showdown. Check out this heavy metal match between the Hino 500 and the Fuso Fighter. It's a diesel-powered dust-up where each truck can haul about 20 tons, 44,000 pounds. Which one crosses the finish line first? Definitely not me. I'm retired. This is a mechanical marvel, not a high-speed chase on the interstate.
Agora deu uma pegada segura. Isso, filho.
That big rig is crawling up that slick hill like it's driving through molasses. It's probably hitting a top speed of 5 miles per hour. 5 miles per hour. The driver must be wishing he had a Hellcat engine right now. I bet I could walk a mile faster than that. What a slow motion spectacle. These heavy equipment operators need to go back to driving school. That 18-wheeler nearly turned into a giant pancake. It's the biggest fail since my neighbor tried to park his 30-foot RV in his tiny driveway. Bless their hearts. Boom! Now that's entertainment. Engineers are turning a 15-story headache into a pile of rubble in just 3 seconds flat. Amazing! Nobody can complain about construction noise after this show. This is how you do a proper, large-scale American spring cleaning. Ta-da!
Thì đúng là nó phải gọi là chúa tể leo đèo các bạn ạ. Nặng quá. Không gì là không thể vượt qua. Dù kéo tải nặng bao nhiêu thì chứa nhưng mà
The driver is sweating like a marathon runner just finished Boston. Will they make it? The ending. A sweet success like winning a $500 scratch-off ticket. Don't hold your breath. This isn't the final lap of NASCAR.
Tiếp tục lại là một con dốc 8% và có độ
Episode 638, that's a lot of trucks. Check out these massive Aussie road trains. They make a 53-foot trailer look tiny. Rolling through Outer Harbor, these beasts are tougher than a Ford F-150, but 3 times the size. Grab your coffee and enjoy this epic road trip down under. Oh my goodness. That 52-foot, 16-meter logging truck is taking a spectacular mountain curve. The timber is stacked like a giant stack of pancakes. It looks like the truck is dancing with gravity. More thrilling than a Hollywood movie. Subscribe to catch this action. This demolition excavator is working faster than a blender. It's taking down that old building in a flash. That heavy machinery must have a V8 engine. Awesome. The operator is definitely the Jedi Master of the construction site. Timber! arduous journey has ended, but the power of the giant machines still resonates. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next breathtaking action scenes. See you again in the upcoming eye-catching trips.